magpasalamat. Alam ko maraming mga bagay sa buhay na na-frustrate ka. There are things in your life that you're not happy about. May mga goals ka na di naaabot, pero alam mo, be grateful pa rin. Kasi buhay ka. Kasi may nagmamahal sa'yo. At ang dapat natin pasalamatan ay unang-una ang Diyos. Because God continues to bless you kahit di mo pinapansin yung mga blessings niya. Yung kinakain mo araw-araw, yung source of income mo kahit kakaunti lang muna ngayon. Blessing pa rin yan. Di mo pinapansin na pinapaligiran ka ng mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Galing din sa Diyos yan. You know, the order of things is this. It's not you're happy first, then you'll be grateful. It's the other way around. Be grateful first, then you'll be happy. Kasi kahit gaano ka pa kayaman o successful, kung wala kang gratefulness, you'll never be happy. My prayer for you is you start to become more grateful and you'll find out na mas magiging masaya ka even with the simple things. And once you're grateful, you'll be a source of joy for a lot of people too.